What is Resco? When you find the right school for your child, it becomes more than a place to learn. It's where they explore new passions, discover who they want to be, and where they want to go. It's their ticket to the big, bright future of their dreams. And with Resco, you can find the perfect fit. Choose from a vast number of public schools across Greater Hartford to find the right academic challenge, environment, and instruction to put your child on a path to a lifetime of success. Let's explore your options. Our 46 magnet schools, available to any Connecticut student from pre-kindergarten to 12th grade, offer specialized curricula with specific themes, like STEM, performing arts, computer science, Montessori, and more. Another option to consider is the Open Choice program for Hartford residents. It allows students to attend public schools outside their home district in nearby suburbs like Farmington, Wethersfield, Simsbury, and South Windsor. The Open Choice program for non-Hartford residents gives students from nearby suburbs a chance to attend select Hartford public schools with specialized programming. Our 3 CTEX high schools combine academics and technical education to prepare students for college or careers immediately after graduation in fields like automotive, culinary, carpentry, and information systems technology. Whatever school you choose, Resco can take your child to places you never dreamed possible. It's your future, your choice.